Hey guys, welcome to the next vlog. This time we're talking about Tomorrow Redefined Conference. What is Tomorrow Redefined Conference? It's surely one of the most exciting projects our team has ever worked on. So just to give you context about what it is, it's one of the biggest conferences on the topic of lean, agile, and overall project management and continuous improvement. Let's put it this way, continuous improvement. So what is our role here? Like, how did we end up working on an event when we actually build presentations and deliver presentation trainings and run the biggest presentation skills conference on the planet called Present to Succeed? Well, someone, his name is Vasil, saw Present to Succeed for 2 years in a row, and he was fascinated by the work that we have done for a topic like presentation skills. And so he asked us to build the same conference, but this time for his industry. And that's more or less how it happened. He was super into trust us into everything that we wanted to build, and he allowed us to do absolutely everything that we wanted. This time, however, it was not me as the speaker. I was not involved with the overall organization, logistics. I was playing the role of consultant in regards to the sales and the sponsorships. But Iva actually did all of the work. I was just overseeing the whole project. Okay, now let's bring you behind the scenes of how we built the brand for Tomorrow Redefined Conference. Overall, the concept was quite simple. We asked Vasco to fill in a little bit of information about how he thinks and what he wants this brand to communicate to the audience. Then we moved on with a lot of variations of the logo because we're talking about continuous improvement, and we played with a lot of logos. Our designer Stella actually went on and did quite a lot of variations. At the end, we moved on and said, okay, I think this is going to be the one, especially the because it's that part of the word that says, hey, this is the continuous improvement. We are actually also making it longer to show you that it's continuous, right? At the end, all of that looked like this in the website. So for example, the website, more or less looked like this, right? And you can hover, see the same colors. These are the speakers, phenomenal names. A lot of sponsors, the tickets, and if you look at it from another perspective, you'll see that the agenda looks like this. Right? Super clean, super professional, looks modern, yet also looks accessible to everyone. What was the main idea of Vasco and him as the organizer for this brand? Like, he wanted to create something that looks premium, looks modern, yet is accessible to absolutely everyone. Quick hint, everyone, if you decide to run a conference, your own conference, or if you get involved in running an event, one super important thing, if you are searching for sales, meaning if you wanna sell tickets for your event, or if you are searching for sponsors, first, make sure that you have presentations for both of those, right? For both of those offers, and please, make sure that those presentations are professionally done. Ask your colleagues, designers, to help you out. Hire a freelancer, hire someone like us, figure it out. Those presentations need to be on a top level. And talking about the offers and the presentations themselves, please don't do that mistake that everyone is doing when they're searching for a sponsor. Don't offer a sponsor 3 options for them to choose from. Ask them, what do you want to achieve? Based on that and based on what you hear, so you have to listen carefully. Based on that, prepare 3 packages, let's say in 3 different price ranges, and offer those to them. A sponsorship is an investment, and through that investment they want to achieve a specific business goal. You need to know what their goal is so that you can craft a customized proposal for them, right? This is from my end. Now, because Iva is the main driving force of this event, follow her and see what's behind the scenes there.
So what's happening now?
So these are the files for the studio. Basically, that's everything that we're going to be using during the next 2 days. Okay, so we're going for the final rehearsal for tomorrow and Friday.
So Iva, why do we do rehearsals?
We do the rehearsals for two reasons. The first one is obviously because the whole AV team there needs to know what happens when. So we should be absolutely clear and they should know everything in terms of when it's happening, when the sessions are happening. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is to make sure we are fully prepared. So that's why we do the rehearsals. We already did the rehearsals with the speakers, which is already set. So now it's the technical part. For tomorrow and Friday, I don't have concerns. We are ready with all the materials. Now there are currently, some of them are being exported because of some changes that we did last minute, but that's perfectly fine and it's expected. Of course, the only thing that's a concern is to make sure the platform stays. We've already tested hopping for two very large events, so I don't expect any issues there, but still that's always a concern. The city center, and this is the building, very big, very large building where the studio of Launchee is located. So we're about to go in and we're about to talk about the conference and what is the expected experience people are going to get from the conference tomorrow and on Friday. We have some amazing speakers, topics literally from all across, from healthcare, services, topics like how we can improve sales in the mobility sector, and so on and so forth. So people are going to learn literally how they can apply lean principles in different areas, in many different areas. So personally, I can't wait.
Today is the rehearsal day, so we are now backstage preparing for tomorrow. Really excited to this big virtual event that we are organizing for the first time ever.
Are you ready? 2 minutes to the event. That's a wrap for day one of Tomorrow Redefined Conference. It's all nice when you are not the moderator and when you're not in the center stage of everything. However, day one went absolutely in an absolutely smooth fashion. Everything worked super well. All of the speakers were here. Everyone was super prepared. No technical glitches, as you would expect, of course, from a top and world-class event. So that's it for today, more or less. Tomorrow we are now going to be testing some of the materials and some of the creatives that our team produced for day two. So now we're going to be uploading them on the machines and testing them out just to make sure that everything is working well. And we're going to succeed at the end. It's that simple. See you tomorrow.
We've been on fire for 2 days now. Actually, the feelings are very strong, very passionate. We put a lot of effort into organizing the event. Now that it is happening, it's truly amazing. We really enjoy the engagement, the interactions, the questions, and you know, the people also here in the studio in Launchee being so active and having so much fun during the whole event. I think it's incredible. Really looking forward to the next conference next year on May 19th.